Alright, hey guys, here's a second of the two S.M.C K56s. These were labeled Hampton Bay and sold through Home Depot. I got a little, what's the word I want to use? A little creative, I guess, to say the least, with this one. I didn't exactly care for the canopies that these came with, so I threw, I don't know, just the first, well, no, not the first canopy I found. The first canopy I found was a view fan canopy, and that would look almost worse. So I threw on, I think this is from a Dayton, but I don't remember. Maybe it was from a Litex, I don't remember. But yeah, I threw a different canopy on it, and then I had some gold tape laying around, so I threw a stripe on it, and honestly, I love it. Like, this is perfect. I love everything about it. Also testing the lights on, having them on in the back, because I don't know for sure, but I think the lights on in the back helps with white fans, but I don't know, I'm just gonna test that theory. Maybe I should just spray paint the Hampton Bay label. Really confuse some people. So I'm really changing it up this time. I actually am using a variable speed control. We're gonna see what that does. Probably see some mosquitoes flying around here and there because they, for some reason, always end up in here. And I turn the bug zapper on and I see in the back, but that doesn't do anything because I don't think they're even attracted to that, so I have to actually go around and swat them. So that gives a nice low speed. It's not really buzzy, so that's good. Alright, let's give it like a quarter turn. It's actually right where I thought it was going to start buzzing like crazy, but this is actually fairly good. I know the other one, I think I tested on variable speed and it was kind of loud. This one's not too bad. That's the nicest that I love. The other one was just, I don't know, there's some people that just like to get a fan to go as slow as possible. I used to be like that, but now, I don't know, I'll still set a fan to like that low, but I won't use it at that speed. I'll use it somewhere like this if I want it to glow. I think right here it's like perfect. Now watch, I'll use my words when I get buzzy. Yeah, got a little buzzier, but it's still not too bad. And I'm just now noticing one of the blades out of clock. It's not terrible, so hopefully, of course now we just have to wobble. Alright, let's go up a little bit to the speed that'll probably make it wobble like crazy. Oh, you're gonna prove me wrong, cool. Yeah, that is not too bad. I think the previous owner should have used it on a dimmer. I don't know if it actually was a dimmer or if he used a, or if it was on a variable speed control. He moved into the house with these in, so yeah, one of those blades is definitely whacked. Yeah, I really like this combination of parts. I still have to fix the, I have to bend the yoke back because it's still kind of bent. I don't know how that happened, but whatever, it is what it is. Or just steel, so it shouldn't be too hard. Another quarter of a turn. It almost looks like it balanced itself. I mean, it's still a lot on the crease, but the placement not too bad. Right hand is bring it to high. I don't think the current Hampton Bay Industrials are labeled Hampton Bay. But I haven't seen one of those. Well, I guess I didn't see one other day. Almost every day. Alright, spin now. But I don't really pay attention. It says fans and lighting, and I think now, maybe back in the day they were only fans and lighting, but I know now they do like everything. I think they do cameras too now. Yeah, I know, they do a lot. Yeah, no, that blade's still wacky. It was just kind of balancing itself out. There was a gym I went to recently that had six of these installed. So there's, I think what happened was originally a bigger building. I mean, it's still not, the building hasn't changed in size, but when it was built, I think they put 4 New-Tone Pro lines up, and those were like in the middle of the building. And then when they converted it to a gym or what have you, they, the rest of the rooms were kind of right after the middle of the building, so they were, the New-Tones were, I think, still technically in the middle, and then they added like 6 of these. It just made for a really kind of cool install because they were in like an X on each side of the, there was like a middle point. I think there was like a big steel beam in the middle, and these were right on either side. It was just kind of a cool install. There was 2 separate controls, which I feel like wouldn't have been enough for 5 fans on each side. Controls weren't even like relatively, I mean, they were somewhat close to each other, but they were, one was in like right next to the panel, and the other one was like on the other side of the room, which was weird. I don't know why they would have done that, but whatever. There's a gymnastics place I used to go to that had like silver lines. I always used to touch one of them because they had one of those rope climbing things, and the fan was like maybe 8 feet apart from that, if that. Like, if I swung hard enough, I probably could get at least close to it, if not touch it. I can't remember now, but I think that was just kind of a random install. They had like just maybe 8 or 10 fans in the whole place, and that was several thousand square feet. This gym had like 10 industrials, and it was maybe 2,000 square feet where the fans were. Granted, they weren't on high, they were on like a low speed, because half of them had balloons caught in them. Oh, I had fans in the party room too, I think. Alright, well there's my S.M.C. K56. Hope you guys enjoyed, and thanks for watching. Alright.